Morning, morning, morning. How are we doing? I hope you are well. So today is collect a bike day. So I'll meet you in my dining room and I'll have a little bit of chat to you. Oh. So apologies if I look a bit knackered. I literally got back from holiday yesterday morning. I arrived back in the UK about 5:30 in the morning. Just been on a safari in Africa. Absolutely phenomenal, amazing holiday. If you've never been on a safari, 100% go for one. They are absolutely amazing. It's been a bucket list holiday for me for years, and my wife actually bought it for, I think it was my birthday or our anniversary present. Birthday? Anniversary? I don't know, either way, she bought it for a present for me somewhere or another. Can't remember exactly what it was for now. Hopefully she doesn't watch this and won't get told off. Amazing, amazing holiday. I am suffering a little bit at the moment because I'm still tired. But we are not here to talk about my safari holiday. We are here to talk about my new bike. So obviously in last week's video, I did tease you a little bit. The bike was behind the camera. So obviously I have the bike already. Yeah, so this video I've recorded before I got it, obviously. But I wanted to record a video for me going to collect the bike. Because, you know, why not? You know, it's exciting times collecting a bike. So I'm really excited to get it. It's just going to be awesome. So we'll drink my coffee, get myself together, and we'll make our way to the dealership. Well, it's no secret what dealership I'm going to. Honda. That should give you a little bit of a clue on what bike I am picking up. So I'm going to go in there, do the paperwork and all that malarkey, and come back to you. So, bike is currently sitting behind me. Did you guess what I got? I bet you didn't. The big reveal. There she is, the ultimate beast, the little monkey bike, 73 plate. Let's go. This is gonna be this is so weird. Stand. Hear that power. He's already laughing. Yeah, boy. Power. Yeah, it's brilliant. So why on earth I bought a monkey bike? Well, I mean, let's face it, it's just good fun, isn't it? It's not fast, but by any means, but it is ear to ear grinning from the second you get on it. I mean, I am, to be fair, currently flat out. I'm doing 52 mile an hour with a headwind. I know these will go about 57, 58 with no wind. But look, I'm already catching up with traffic. What more do you want? What more do you want? So this is a 73 model, brand spanking new. As I've just done 3 miles. It's a 5-speed gearbox with astonishing 9.6 brake horsepower, and 11 pound-foot of torque, I believe it is. The mental thing about these monkey bikes is it'll do about 160, 170 miles to the gallon. It's got a 5.6 litre fuel tank, I believe it is, and they do about 220, 230 miles to full tank, which will cost you about £7 to fill up. You know what I mean? It is just stupidity. So if you're new to the channel and you're thinking, why on earth is this guy riding a monkey bike? I do have another bike at home. I have an S1000 XR, and that is my, you know, my big bike for my tours, my proper riding out and about. I just liked monkey bikes since they first come out. I've always thought they're brilliant little things, and I actually test rode one the other week. Literally fell in love with it, thought it was great fun, and decided I had to have one. So here I am. This is so stupid. This is so stupid, but so much fun. Look, 54, 55 with a headwind downhill. I think I'll probably get about 65 downhill with a backwind. That's going to be my maximum, but I'm not being funny. But the traffic in front of me is not getting away, not really, and the traffic behind me is nowhere near me. So 56, 57, 58, way for the power. That's 60 mile an hour downhill. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna lie, 60 mile an hour on this thing, it's mental. It feels a bit leery, but I am catching the traffic. So I mean, I'm going to slow down in a minute because I'm going to go uphill, but this is so stupid. Oh my god. I just try to go through the gearbox with a quick shifter. I don't think it's going to have a quick shifter, do you? Oh, 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 oh. This is great fun, and this is why I bought it. You know, it's literally just stupidity. You look like a tit, but I am grinning ear to ear, laughing like a little child. Well, there you go. That's my new bike, my little monkey bike. Looking all nice and shiny. Unfortunately, it's quite a little bit of chrome on there to polish, which is a bit naff, but yeah, I don't want a bit of cleaning, but I like the fact there's a little monkey on the side of it. Look, it's really cool. That's what I mean. Look at this seat. Look how thick is that seat. Honestly, that is so comfortable. So yeah, plans for it. I might get a little screen for the front here. I might put a little luggage rack on the back of it, so I can put I think the luggage rack fits into these bolts here, sits just above here somewhere. New exhaust, get rid of that, put a definitely louder exhaust on there. But I mean, to be fair, other than that, I think that's it. I think it's a great little thing. That sticker needs to go. Need to get that sticker off the front, but I'll do it when I get home. But yeah, it's absolutely awesome. I love it. I think it's great. Also, what I like about it, hopefully you can see this, the old school emblem for the Honda. Obviously the Honda wing, and then you got the Honda monkey. I mean, that's so cool. So cool. Oh, and another thing. It's got an alarm, would you believe? Ready? Have you heard that? Let's set the alarm off, shall we? Yeah, the alarm's pretty naff, but unset that. think that's sunset. I don't really know. Is it sunset? Yep, sunset. But yeah, and then if I lose it, I've got a little answer back button. Lets you know where it is. I mean, I'm never going to hear that anywhere, but still, yeah. It's cool, isn't it? It's really cool. So yes, do expect a few little monkey adventures, because there'll be plenty of them to come. I'm not going to do a full review of the bike right now, obviously I've only just bought it. This is just a first ride pickup. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of it. It's great, isn't it? I love the red and the white. I think it looks really, really smart. Yeah, so if you got a monkey or a grom, let me know. Do you love it as much as I love this already? I think it's absolutely phenomenal. I think it's great. What do you think? Did you guess right? Did you guess I was going to buy a monkey bike? Let me know in the comments. I'm pretty much guarantee you didn't guess a monkey bike, but yeah, it's awesome. I think it's be quite a nice little first picture actually by this gate. So anyway, I'm going to leave the video there. I'm going to take a little photo of the monkey in front of the gate, and I shall see you in the next video. Catch you later.